Alright, back to what I was doing. So I have my sides, I have my brackets. I need to punch some holes and put pop rivets to attach everything together. Let me open up the new pop rivet gun. Alright, first thing I'm going to do on the brackets on this side, I'm going to punch a hole on each side. Alright, the distance in isn't super important. Just like that. Alright, now I'm going to use these. I'm going to center it up. I want the top edge of the bracket even with the line. Press it flat. Mark for the holes for this one. Then I'm going to use the other bracket for this one. I'm going to use the hole punch. Let me loosen the stop. Just so I can reach all the way in. I'll line it up. Punch. Like that. Do the same thing on this one. Alright, time to attach. These are the pop rivets. Alright, this is the pop rivet gun. It already has the right tip in it. So I put it in. Now to put the pop rivet through, I'm going to put it through on the outside. Wiggle a little bit to get it through. In through the bracket. And work it down. Then I'm going to squeeze the handle. Alright, if it doesn't snap on the first pull, let it open back up. Press it tight again, and then squeeze. Now snap off. You'll have the flush side on the outside, then the mushroom part of the pop rivet on the inside. Alright, I'll do the other side. If they don't line up exactly, it's not a huge deal. Like, I can already tell this one's probably going to be a little bit off. Might be able to get it. Put it around a little bit. Nope. Alright, so my holes are misaligned just a hair. So what I'm going to do, I'll attach at least one on this side. I can tell I missed the mark just a bit, so I'll have to do the same thing on this one. Through. that one I definitely missed. So all I have to do is drill the holes out a little bit to line them up. So I'm going to come back, grab a drill. Alright, I want an 1/8 inch drill. Unwind here. Plug her in. Now sheet metal, you want to be very careful because it is very easy to get it caught and have it spin around. So I'm going to clamp it down in place. Alright, I have it going forward. Try to keep it lined up. While it's clamped, I'll put the pop rivet in. Now I drilled them, should go through much easier. There we go. Now I have one of the sides in. Same thing on this side. This time I'm going to clamp it a little differently so I can see better. Slide her over. Alright, I'll smash in the pop rivet, which I don't want to do, so I just put it on an angle. Alright, tighten it down. Same thing. I want the hole on the inside to be a little bit bigger, so I'm always going to go from the outside. Pop rivet through. Alright, so I have my two end pieces. They're going to go like this inside the box. So the next step is going to be punching the holes in the sides and pop rivet in the sides in. I'm going to stop here so that this one video isn't super long, but make sure you watch the next one to find the next step.